Welcome to Steele Hyundai, 3625 Kempt Road in Halifax. We're looking forward to continuing our relationship with you by providing regularly scheduled service for your vehicle. Our trained technicians have spent countless hours perfecting their craft and are confident in their abilities to maintain your vehicle in tip-top condition. Whether you're dropping your vehicle off for the day or if you decide to wait with us, you can relax and enjoy our comfortable client lounge with Wi-Fi access, an entertainment center, and refreshments. We also have transportation vouchers to get you home or back to the office within HRM. When you arrive for your service appointment at our dealership, follow the arrows to the service drive-through door. Your service experience begins immediately. As you enter the service bay area, your vehicle will receive an automatic wheel alignment check. Once inside, proceed to the service counter where you will be greeted by one of our friendly service advisors. We will protect your vehicle with seat covers and floor mats prior to entering our shop. Here's where we perform our maintenance and repair work to your vehicle. Our factory-trained technicians are skilled to work on all makes and models. Trust them to keep yours in tip-top condition. For your convenience, we have an early bird drop-off at the front of the building. Simply arrange your service appointment, park your vehicle after hours, complete the service provider envelope, seal your keys inside the drop, and put it through the mail slot. Your service advisors will be sure to get it in first thing in the morning and proceed with your service as arranged. Another exclusive feature we provide is our in-bay service videos, where we will pull back the curtains and show you exactly what's happening with your vehicle under the hood, behind the wheels, and the undercarriage. We would like to thank you for choosing Steele Hyundai as your preferred automotive dealership. Enjoy your vehicle. We're looking forward to seeing you for your first regularly scheduled maintenance appointment at 3625 Kempt Road in Halifax.